Morning pond lovers. So yeah, you're in the van with me again. We're off to work. We're going to visit another pond, local this time. So yeah, I will snap back to you all when we get there. So I've just arrived at my buddy Jason's pond. I know Jason because he contacted me through Keeping It Koi a few years back. So we've been in contact ever since. And you may remember a few years back now, I had some fry that I grew on, and I was giving some away because they were ever so slightly deformed. Well, a couple of them, this is where they ended up. Let me spin you around. Yeah, you may remember, those of you that have followed my channel for quite a while, I had a fish that I named Mr. Benthead, and he grew well because if he comes out from hiding under the giant kajaku down there, he's just behind the kajaku's tail. Now behind the bubbles, a bit camera shy. But yeah, that's Mr. Benthead. He's now a good 35-40 centimetres. Looks almost like an asagi now. So, yeah, there he is. Big old fish. But yeah, there's a couple in here that Jason had off me. But yeah, Mr. Benthead, he's still got an ever so slightly bent edge, but it does look like it's straightened out a little bit, and to be honest, it's a really nice fish. Not that you guys can see it that well under the bubbles, but anyway, the reason we're here is this pond. So as you can see by the title and thumbnail, I am putting a pergola over this pond for Jason today. So he's got all the materials. He did get the wrong raw plugs that I wanted, so he's nipped back out to get them. But yeah, I am going to start marking out and measuring while he's nipped down to the local hardware store to get the raw plugs to pop in there. Yeah, decent sized pond, lovely big winder. Probably about 2 metre winder. Looks like he's made his own Boxweld liner. A lot of joins in there, but as long as it's sealed right, it will do the job. And I know he's used MS300, so can't get a much better one than that. Yeah, reckon probably about 6,000 to 8,000 litres, give or take. It's almost 3 metres. I can't zoom out. There we go. Yeah, it's almost 3 metres by 2.5 metres, and looks about 1.5 metres deep, give or take. But, yeah, do the job, won't it? Right, I'm going to crack on and start measuring. Right then guys, where am I up to? Let's have a look. Let's spin you around. Whee! So that's the main structure up. As you can see, everything is all spaced nice and evenly. Everything is cut nicely in. And yeah, don't look too shabby, does it? So that's all now ready for the roof. We're cladding this side and this side, or the back and the side. And got our cladding down here. So that's my next job. Yeah, nice solid structure. Yeah, we did have to take off the copings, unfortunately, because they weren't set very well. The mix he'd used was a wee bit sandy, not very grey at all. So yeah, the drill was just bouncing them loose. That beast down there. So yeah, bounced them all loose. So he took them off, and he said he'll just cut them to size and go round and do what he needs to do. So that's fair enough. But that's one pergola almost finished. So I'm covered in sawdust. It's the end of the day, but I have built a pergola. Let's spin you around and show you what it looks like. And there it is in all its glory. Move that screw bag out of the way and tools. There you go. So yeah, it's all fully cladded all the way round. Roof is up. All gravy. He's done a bit of tester paint today. going to be painting it black, which will be great for pictures and videos if he ever decides to start a YouTube channel. Yeah, quite happy with that. We've just put the glass holders, it's got a jump guard to go along the front here, but it isn't the full length of the pond, so what we've done is extended the cladding out that way. This one's not fixed down, by the way. Extended the cladding out there. The window's going to come to the edge of that, and then the window will finish same place over here, but he's got a auto feeder that's going to sit in that corner. But yeah, I think it looks really good. What's your thoughts? But on that note, guys, I'm all done here. I'm going to go home, chill out, and enjoy the rest of my evening. So thanks all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already, and we'll catch you all on the next one.